Introducing the ultimate rural cutting solution, the eZebu Woodchipper with trolley attachment. Say goodbye to labor-intensive processes and fuel-driven machines. With the eZebu Woodchipper, productivity goes up, costs and emissions go down. Transform waste into value. A game-changing solution for sustainable land management and biomass utilization. Designed for performance, portability and precision, this attachment transforms bulky branches, twigs and crop residues into fine wood chips in minutes. Electrically powered can run up to 5 hours per charge and cut up to 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Cut agro waste in minutes effortlessly. Collect it directly into the trolley. No lifting needed. Transport it easily with battery-powered mobility. Book now. Revolutionize your farm today. Runs on clean electric power, cost, saving and silent. To know more, contact or WhatsApp INAV Agro Mech Pvt Limited today.